What's up guys, if you're new to Davinci Resolve, the first thing you might want to learn is how to add simple transitions between your video clips, and that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So I'm in Davinci Resolve here and I have some random stock footage that I have dragged in, so let's add these clips to the timeline. We're not going to need audio for this, so let's delete the audio clips. And we have 4 simple video clips here. To add a transition between your video clips, you want to go up here in the left corner, click on Effects. Under Toolbox, you want to find Video Transitions, and here are all the transitions that you can choose from. So we're going to start by adding our first transition at the start of our clip, of our whole video clip. So this is going to be our starting clip. Let's drag it to the start. And let's add our first transition. I actually really like this blur dissolve effect as a first transition. So let's take this and add it at the start of our clip. You can barely see it, but it's there. I want to show you how it looks. So let's press play. Looks pretty good. Okay, so now let's add another transition between our first and our second clip. Let's zoom out a little bit. I'll actually want to take this clip as my second one, so let's put it here. Put it next to the first clip. Let's choose a transition. Let's take this one. And we're trying to add it, but it doesn't work. Well, this is actually because Davinci requires your clips to be cut. So if you want to add transitions between whole clips, uncut clips, you need to cut at least a little bit from these clips. So from the first clip, we need to cut a little bit from the end. Let's see where we would like this transition to end, transition to start. Let's say here. So we want to cut this clip, this first clip, end of the first clip. And the same thing with the second clip. You want to cut the start of it. Okay, let's now try the same. Let's put the clips together. Let's add transition, and now it works. Let's zoom in a little bit. As you can see, the transition is between the clips, and let's see how it looks. Let's add another transition between our second and our third clip. So let's zoom out a little bit. Let's use this one as our third clip. Let's cut it up a little bit like this. And we have to do the same with the second clip as well. I would say we could cut it around here. There we go. Let's put the clips together. Let's zoom in a little bit. And let's find a transition that we like. As you can see that if you put your mouse cursor over the transition, and you slowly slide it, you can see how the transition is going to look. So let's add this push transition. There we go. So we have another one. Our whole clip is almost ready. We just need to add one more transition. So let's cut this clip here. Let's take our last clip. And let's add this last transition as well. We're going to add this one. So there we go. We have 4 transitions on 4 clips. Let's see how the whole video looks. So there's actually one last thing that I want to show you guys. So if we go back to this push transition that we added, let's zoom in a little bit. Here in the upper right corner, you can edit it. You can edit the duration, you can add a border, you can change the color, whatever you like, just play with these settings. But I want to show you guys how you can change these settings, save them, and then use them for your next projects. So if you go back, when you've done editing the transition, just go back to your transition in the timeline, right click, choose this create transition preset. Here you can rename it to whatever you like and press OK. So now under our video transitions, if you scroll down, it's gonna be in the middle somewhere. Under user, there is this push preset X that we just created. So we can actually delete this, so we have no transition now. And you can drag this in, and it's gonna look exactly how you edited it. Alright everyone, I hope this video was useful and that you learned something new. Please like and subscribe, it does help a lot. And if you want to learn more about Davinci Resolve, click this next video. Bye bye!